Hello, this is Fırat. I'm responsible for sales and business development at Robital. Our company is one of the leading firms in Turkey in robotic systems and welding automation. We supply a full range of robotic peripherals compatible with various robotic production systems specifically developed for robot integrators. Within our 7,200 square meter production facility, we manufacture a wide range of robotic peripherals, from plasma cutting and welding to machining and assembly. Almost every step of production takes place right here, under the one roof. We have gathered our standard product under three strong brands: GiraffeMotion, RhinoMotion and LizardMotion. Under these brands, we produce gantry robot, robotic positioners and robotic sliders, each designed for precision, reliability and flexibility. The biomimetic designs of our products are inspired by nature, by the strength of the rhino, the reach of the giraffe and the agility of the lizard. Our RhinoMotion series robotic positioners covers capacities from 500 kg to 50 ton. LizardMotion robotic sliders covers travel range from 3 to 200 meters. And GiraffeMotion systems can reach up to 200 meters, built for maximum accessibility and performance. And of course, all our products can be fully customized and configured to fit your specific project needs. At Robital, we are not only building robotic systems, but also evolving them to be more efficient in the future of automation.